Hey, this is Curtis Hyde. I'm with Colorado Computer Support, and welcome to this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. So I found myself at the Space Foundation Discovery Center this week for our Tech Tip. And as you can see behind me, I have a giant globe floating, and it has some clouds circulating around it. And that's the topic of today's discussion. We're going to talk about the cloud. Now, a lot of people think the cloud is a mystical thing that floats around the Earth and it stores all of our information and data. And when you save something from yourself on your computer, it goes shoot straight up into the sky and it's saved in some mystical place. Now, that is true. It is saved in a mystical place, but not quite where you think in the sky. Where it gets saved to is one of these. This is a server. It's a rack mounted server. Now, some of them are racks, some of them are towers, but that's what the cloud is. It's just your hardware. Now, the difference between having a cloud server or cloud storage compared to home storage is inside your office, you may have a server closet where you host everything. And when you do it through the cloud, you're just paying and renting space for someone else to host it for you. That machine is going to sit inside of a data center. You're going to rent space and availability with it, so you can use and operate as much as you want, and you're just connected to it through the internet. Now, pros of the cloud are the fact is you don't have to invest in expensive hardware and thousands of dollars to set it up, because you just pay a monthly subscription to host and hold it, and then you have unlimited access to it, and it keeps itself safe and secure in a facility maintained by other people. So it's a very easy connection of how it can be lost, where people think it goes into the sky because you save it and it goes somewhere, but actually just goes to a data center on a piece of hardware that's hosted by someone else. That's the biggest difference between cloud and having things locally inside of your own office. So if you have any questions about the cloud, or if you're wondering how you can implement this for your business, feel free to give us a call. We'd love to help you out with that. Once again, we're Colorado Computer Support. Our phone number is 719-439-0599. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip, and we will see you next time. Thank you so much.